Let's install the Pentair Model 300 in the spa. Let's start it. Install the Chlorinator feeder on the spa line. So we have a jacuzzi, we want to install that on the line so we don't need to add the chlorine in our spa. It's very simple. Just that valve, I put a little tape like a Teflon around it. Make sure you don't put too much. If you put too much tape and you tie it, it's gonna break. So don't put too much tape, just one roll. And one the valve is gonna be on the side and the other hose is gonna be on the bottom like you saw. So I'm gonna put that hose, connect the hose here. So step by step you're gonna see there is a two type to install. One is the heater, the other one without the heater. So we have a heater, so the way we do, you follow the line, and I follow the line is going after the pump, and we can install here. So one of them you have to install after the line, after the pump. So this is the pump, you see, after the pump, and after that you have to connect to the return push. So we follow the line is going to the heater, and then after heater is going up. We have a salt Colorado, but it doesn't work, so we follow that, and that's the return. So it's going to the spa. Let's follow it. You see, that's going back to the spa. So we have to connect our other end to that, and the best spot is that. So I'm gonna connect the bottom of that here. If this is your first time, just try that in the one extra pipe first and mark it. So this is the Christmas tree tools, you can find it in the description. I'm gonna make the hole, I'm gonna test it here, and I'm gonna see where should I stop it, and I put the black tape so I know I have to stop here. So, and when you try it in the pipe in the spa, so you don't make a mistake, because you only have one chance. So don't try to test it here. So I'm gonna turn off the power, and then I close all the valves so there is no air getting in the line. So if you know the Jandy valve, that way it's closed. Okay, so I have another video if you want to check it out, so you're gonna see which way the Jandy valve works. So we have to put this here, right? So, and we already marked our tip, the Christmas tip. We just go slow, go very slow, because you don't want to make the hole bigger than need to be. Okay, we're almost there, and we're gonna go back. So we're gonna clean the edge. You see the water is a little water in the line, and it start coming out. So we're gonna test that. It's perfect. So it's not big, it's not a small, it's perfect. So use that sealant. So it's come with the package. So I'm gonna put everything in the description, you can check it out if you want to buy it. Put on the top of the gasket like this. I put a little on the top, and I put the clamps. So you just slide the clamps inside, and you just hide it. Yeah, it's simple. Don't forget to like the video, that's gonna help me a lot, and YouTube algorithm is gonna refer this video to the more people. Thank you very much. Okay, that's ready, and we can connect our hose here. It's very simple. You just have to twist it, make sure it's tight, just hand tight, don't go with the plier. Okay, and the other end we're gonna connect that to the bottom of it. So, and the bottom is going to I already make the hole, and the same process I did over there. You just tighten and connect the hose, and it's ready to go. So it's very simple, you can do by yourself. And I turn on the pump, so I'm gonna test it. You see the cap is off, so I'm gonna turn on the valve. Let's turn it on. You see the water start coming up, so it means it's working. So that's our feeder. So it's gonna come from the pump and then it's going to the return. So it's very simple. Just it worked perfect. So I don't make the hole to the concrete, so it's stay like that. So you don't need to make the hole in the concrete. Just when you want to open the lid, hold the body of your what you call the chlorinator, and just turn the lid. So you don't need to make the hole. I'm pretty sure nobody like to make the hole in the concrete. So it's that simple. So make sure subscribe our channel and put the bell notification, leave us the like. I will show you how to fix the home by yourself without paying anyone. And see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.